The big news coming in at this point, Abu Azmi's praise for Aurangzeb has stirred a row once again. Remember, SP MLA Abu Azmi has been suspended from the Maharashtra Assembly. He has been suspended for his remarks on Aurangzeb, and he has been suspended for the entire budget session. This proposal to suspend Abu Azmi was moved by Maharashtra Minister Patil, and as a result, that has been accepted. And Aurangzeb has been, and I beg your pardon, Abu Azmi has been suspended for the entirety of the budget session of Maharashtra, creating a fresh twist in the entire controversy that had erupted after Abu Azmi had praised Aurangzeb in the light of course, the controversy over the Mughal Emperor's actions at this point. Let me go across to my colleagues Srishti and Rucha, who are joining us live at this point. Srishti, beginning with you, first take us through what happened in the Maharashtra Assembly today, which has led to the suspension of Abu Azmi.
Well, of course, the kind of statement which has been given by Abu Azmi that has gone against all the leaders, whether it be from opposition or from the ruling party. What exactly happened is that the statement which Abu Azmi gave was against Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and it was in favor of Aurangzeb. What exactly his words were, I quote, that Aurangzeb was a good king and he has built a lot of temples. Now this has gone against all the leaders. A motion was passed in the assembly in the state of Maharashtra today regarding his suspension, and Abu Azmi has been suspended from the budget session for this time. Now importantly, what comes across is that close aid of Abu Azmi are looking forward for the relief which they can opt for, because he has not exactly mentioned these words inside the house, but he spoke in the premises of Vidhan Sabha. So of course they will be finding out certain kind of relief, but a committee has been formed and the committee will take appropriate actions. When we spoke about this to the BJP leader Ram Kadam, what exactly he mentioned is that this is not the first time that Abu Azmi had made such statements. He's a repeated offender and he keeps on mentioning such things which goes against the social fabric of this particular state, and everybody in the state has certain respect for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, and this is not the first time when he has mentioned such things. Now the committee has been formed and they will take appropriate actions. But importantly, what pans out is that Uddhav Thackeray's party keeps on saying that Abu Azmi is a B team of BJP. When we asked this question to Ram Kadam, who is a BJP leader, he mentioned that this is ridiculous. Abu Azmi was sitting in the laps of Uddhav Thackeray earlier. They were in alliance, and this kind of statements which Uddhav Thackeray's party is giving, that is absolutely ridiculous. So of course, war of words is going on in the state of Maharashtra. Specifically, the assembly session is going on, but every day there is a new issue. Rather than discussing on the people's issue, there is a controversy regarding Aurangzeb. There is a controversy regarding all such issues, and that is what is panning out in state assembly budget session this time. But yes, of course, a suspension has been ordered for Abu Azmi.
Well, Shushi, stay on with us. Let's also go across to Rucha, who's joining us live at this point. Rucha, take us through the backdrop at this point, because this controversy has been going on for quite some while here after the praise which Abu Azmi gave for Aurangzeb. Take us through the context. Why did the SPMLA suddenly praise a Mughal emperor who has been dead for over 300 years?
Well, initially, it started from a film, Chhawa. While speaking about the film, Abu Azmi had mentioned that it is wrong what's shown in the film. In fact, Aurangzeb was a good emperor, and he, in fact, built many temples, as well as he also mentioned that India, in his tenure, was a Sone ki Chidiya, golden bird, and India's GDP was 24% of what it is now. While he said that now when it comes to the subject, anything related to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj or Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, this is very sensitive issue for the entire Maharashtra, including the common people. Now the sentiments of people following the kings was heard, and which is why we have seen that the kind of reactions have come from the political background, even it may be the opposition leaders, or it may be someone from the ruling party. Everybody was against what Abu Azmi has said, and after the controversy had triggered, Abu Azmi also tried to take back his statement, saying that if whatever I have said has hurt anyone's sentiments, I take the statement back. But that made no difference because the statement was made in the Vidhan Bhavan premises, the assembly premises. He is now facing the consequences of what he has said, and he did not apologize. He only tried to take back his statement, but yet to apologize. Now this point is also taken in another political aspect by the opposition leaders. They are saying that the recent resignation of Dhananjay Munde is being ignored, and while Abu Azmi, they are calling it as a B team of BJP. He is deliberately making such statements to shift focus from the Dhananjay Munde's resignation to the Aurangzeb controversy. Now, after 2 days, we have seen in the assembly this issue has been burning, and today, finally, after the discussion on this topic, after demand from the opposition as well as from the ruling parties, Abu Azmi is now suspended for this particular budget session of Maharashtra. Over to you.